Creating a Jira issue directly from Confluence is an efficient way to link documentation with actionable tasks. Here's how to create a Jira issue from a Confluence page. Navigate to the Confluence page. Open the page where you want to create a Jira issue. This could be a project requirement page, meeting notes, or any documentation that would benefit from an associated task. Highlight the text. Select the text on the page that will be the basis of the Jira issue, often a task description or key item. Click the Jira icon. Once text is highlighted, a small Jira icon will appear in the formatting toolbar above the text. Click this icon and select Create Issue. Configure the issue details. In the pop-up window, fill in the details of the Jira issue. Project. Select the Jira project where the issue should be created. Issue type. Choose the appropriate type. Summary and description. These are pre-filled from the highlighted text, but you can modify them. Assignee, priority, and other fields can be set as needed. Create the issue. Click Insert to create the Jira issue. The issue link will now appear on the Confluence page, providing a quick way to track and update it in Jira.